Oh, Matt reviews in his lunch hour. So we're going to review this plastic welding gun. I've already used it, so yeah. I say I've already used it. I've used it on PLA and stuff like that when I was doing my 3D printing and stuff. But basically today we're going to try and use it to modify our bumper lip that we've got for the Lemmy, where we need to move basically this outlet. We need to make two of them basically and fill this one in. So we're going to give this a go. It's open up. I'll give you the link below for the discount code. You have these like weird special clips that you use when you're sort of joining if you've got cracks in your bumper. We won't maybe not need those. And instructions there that no one overreads. Pair of cutters, pair of knife, which is good. Here's your main gun. You pull your trigger basically, and your fitting that goes on the end there heats up, and then you can melt stuff basically. That's all you're doing, is melting the plastic. Yeah, so basically I think I'm going to use this to then, that's what I want to do, this is a professional video, this is just basically cut a circle out, or half moon, and then reinforce it. But I think we cut the two bits out first and then figure out what we're doing. Because yeah, if we cut all the way through this, we're going to lose this lip and we're going to lose a lot of strength. Not that it's very critical for strength, but let's give it a go. Made a template. Used their knife as well. Seems quite a good knife. But all knives are, aren't they? The first time you use them, once they start blunting. So yeah, we need to then move that to there. Mark it and cut it. Mark it and cut it. One twin exhaust. Okay, it's going quite well. It seems like if you've got the gun on for sort of like, holding the trigger for a good 5 minutes, it seems to sort of power down. I think it's mostly because it's too hot. You're not supposed to use it for that long. I'll be using it for cutting and stuff, which mostly not ideal for. But for welding, it's not too bad. So I've cut these two sections out. As you can see, I've got 3 exhaust holes at the moment. We're gonna have to fill one out. I basically took a section from here and I've sort of welded it on here. I've used a bit of ASA stuff filament as well, just to sort of fill up stuff. It's mostly, I don't think they recommend that, but yeah, it seems to be doing alright. So getting the hang of it. It's just trying to get a nice hang of holding the gun, as well as just sort of, spreading it with the edge, just to splurge the metal together, the plastic. And then we have the finished article. So as you can see, we filled that in and welded that with the gun, and then again we put a lip on both of those. So yeah, it worked quite well. So yeah, I'll be using it again, that's for sure. It's definitely a good tool to have. I didn't get to use any of the little brackets and things like that. You use that for joining brackets together, or where it's been completely cracked. Could have maybe put some on the back of that. But yeah, proper job.